So this poll came out today showing Cruz ahead of Trump. I don't even say their first names anymore. We already know who these people are, and it's really, this is referring to Iowa, the first state of the primary. Uh, Surprising to me that every other Republican candidate who went after Trump in some manner, I mean, he kept highlighting the fact, oh, they're going down. Their numbers are decreasing. They're losing to me. Oh, I'm winning. I'm winning everywhere, as he put it. And to just see him have, the day before, insult Cruz about, oh, I don't know if evangelicals are coming from Cuba, uh, after saying and insisting, oh, I won't do it, I won't do it, I won't do it, I won't. Now, granted, Cruz had a little behind the scenes audio that came out, but whatever. I mean, if you don't think people talk about each other in private, you're living in a dream world. So he has repeatedly reiterated that anyone who he insults goes down in the polls. They lose. They drop out. They're not doing well. And look what's happening here. Cruz went up by 10 points the exact day, or that the poll was released the exact day after he says that. It's just the greatest form of irony ever. And it's amazing to me because you have a guy who, for months and months and months, while everybody else was kind of throwing these little different insults at Trump, Cruz never directly said anything about him publicly that would actually stir him to go, oh, I'm going to retaliate. I mean, even this private fundraiser thing wasn't enough to, at least for me to consider him attacking him. It didn't seem like a reasonable conclusion for Trump to draw that, oh yeah, he's broken the bond, the bromance, as they called it. And that's over. Now we're enemies. Now we're on opposing sides. I'm gonna get him. Now he reasoned that, and he chose to do this, but I love the opposite effect. I love the complete reversal here. And who's to say that will last? But all I can say is that if his little continued thing of, oh, whoever I insult goes down, or their poll numbers drop, or they won't win, or they get closer to losing, that's all been disproven here. That's all been disproven here. In just a span of 2 days, that whole theory just is gone. I don't know where he came up with the idea. I guess what happened was he kept reinforcing his view. Oh, well, if I say this and I say that, this person will go down. And look, the polls are doing it. Well, we're using his own logic right now. At least I'm using that logic. And again, I don't know if this is permanent. I don't know if this is going to be something that takes effect all the way for another 3 months. Well, this month, January, and February 1st. It's right around the corner. But a lot can happen in 1 month. Trump could move back to the front. I don't know. I can't predict the future, but what I can predict is that this theory of his isn't holding water, at least not today. And I hope it doesn't anymore. There's no reason why one person can say something and then a whole bunch of people start losing in a presidential race. It makes no sense. And I haven't believed that since he started claiming that.